Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to avoid time suckers from your life so that you can increase your productivity, you can gain back control on your life, and this will help you to achieve your goals faster in your life. The first thing you need to do in order to avoid the time suckers from your life is you have to learn to be greedy. आपको कंजूस बनना पड़ेगा while giving your time to other people. Being greedy is not being selfish. If someone is calling you selfish while you are gaining back control of your life, they are the people who are selfish because they need your time. You don't need them. Because क्या होता है ना, when we are trying to gain back control of our lives, it's very common for the normal human person to call you selfish because this is the part of human nature. Rather than feeling guilty that you wasted a lot amount of time, it's better to be selfish because at least you are saving your time. Now the second thing that you need to do is you need to have an agenda of the time. What is agenda of your time? Agenda of your time is what you are going to do with that time and what is the amount of time that thing will take while you are giving it. तो अगर आप किसी से भी मिल रहे हैं, whenever if you are meeting someone, you need to have an agenda why you are meeting that person and what is the time that will take to complete that work. So if you are meeting any person without any agenda, then you understand that time has been wasted. Having an agenda of your time is very important. If that agenda is being fulfilled, it is very good, and that agenda should be agenda which should benefit both of the parties. So this way you can increase your productivity because your psychology of allocating time to productive things will increase. आपकी psychology productive हो गई. So rather than wasting your time, now you will see where actually I can use this time for better allocation. The next thing that you can do is you need to find people and you need to find pattern in people. So whenever a person starts wasting your time, you need to find a pattern that how this time is getting wasted, and as soon as you realize you feel a sense of wasting your time and बहुत सारा time चला जाता है, then you need to say no to that. Most of the people, and this is the biggest reason why people are not able to say no, is because they think that if I'm giving my time right now to this person might help me in future. But understand this, lot of people in your life portray themselves as they are going to help you in future, but in reality they will not help you. If you need any help from them, ask for it right now. आपको पता चल जाएगा what is the reality. If they are ready to help you right now, they will also help you in future. So understand who are genuine people in your life and understand who are genuinely going to help you. Time has to have an agenda, and if there is no agenda while meeting anyone, then you have to be very assertive and you need to say no. This is the whole crux of this video. When you start putting all these things in your life, what will happen is automatically your control on your life will increase because you will get a sense of confidence in you, because आपकी productivity will also increase and you will have a sense of confidence in you, and people will also start respecting your time because when you are allocating your time towards a certain specific thing और आप अपने time को बहुत productively use कर रहे हो, people will also be aware that this person uses this time in very proper manner, so they will start respecting you also and they will also start respecting your time. Because time management is more about being practical. It's more about understanding that your time is very limited and you can only give it to very limited people. So that is the most important thing, and if people call you selfish in that order, so ठीक है यार, you are selfish. It's very important if you're selfish about your time. If you like the video, please comment down below what is the part of video which you like the most. Do share this video with your friends, family and other people, and subscribe to my channel for watching more videos like this.